G'day! In today's video, I'm replacing a battery in a Dell Inspiron P70F002. Not sure which model this one exactly is, but that is the model number that's on here. Granted, it probably goes by a few different other names. And to begin with, we're going to take out the Phillips head screws that are on there. Not sure if all of them will come out. These back ones tend to stay, like that one. And that one wants to stay. That. The vast majority of these are wanting to stay. So there we go with these front ones. Now with those screws removed, hopefully lift it up. Basically push it down and try and bend this corner up. So I'm trying to also get my fingernails in there. Just to start it anyway. As you can see, it started around here. There we go. Lift and fold. Go. And from here, the battery replacement itself should be relatively straightforward. You want to undo the 4 screws on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And disconnect this cable here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can lift it up. Pull it back, grab this tab, hopefully just walk it out like so. Grab the replacement. Should be a matter of lining it up, pushing it in until it's all hidden away. Just like that, all nice and straight along here. And put the battery in it where it needs to sit. Go. And then from there, put those screws back in. Shouldn't matter which location, all of which seem to be the same size. Now I should be able to hook this over the back. With this 1, 2, 3, 4 connected, should be right. Should be a matter of hooking it over the back first, pushing down. Should kind of click into position in a few of the spots. And then it's simply a matter of putting those remaining screws in. So we'll put the ones that didn't want to leave back in. And from there, stick it on charge. Hopefully you've got a good quality battery that's happy to charge and gives you good battery life. There are plenty of duds out there. I find the battery world to be a bit of a minefield with what's actually available. Sometimes you get cheap stuff that's good quality. Sometimes you get expensive stuff that's bad quality. Sometimes you get a refurb battery that's expensive, that's crap. Sometimes you get a cheap refurb battery that's really good. Sadly, they're very hit and miss. But anyway, this is how you replace the battery in it, and I hope this has helped you guys. If you find that your battery is still not getting detected, check out that cable at both ends, and hopefully you're all good from there. Anyway, I'll see you later, and I'll catch you guys later.